Well, Danny's getting a haircut, and then we're going to hit the road. Goodbye to Tallahassee. Thanks to Lisa and Mark, my friends, for showing us around and having us over for dinner and giving Danny a chance to play with your dogs. And we had a great time. We really appreciate your hospitality. I enjoyed staying at the campground at Coe Campground there in Tallahassee. It was beautiful. We had the greatest sight right there on the water. So we're off to go visit my cousin Mike, and he is in Lady Lake, Florida, and we're going to Mouchdocking for a little while. That's the term I understand, Mouchdocking. Mike lives in a mobile home park, but at the end of his street where he's at, he's got the greatest view of some horses and a beautiful pond. Now that lily pad you're looking at can be pretty noisy at night, but once I closed my windows, I didn't hear a thing, and Danny and I were out like a light. We really enjoyed it. So thanks to Mike for letting us spend the night. It was great seeing you. I haven't seen him in years. Well, we're heading southbound again. Not sure where we're going to stop this time. We have a few things that we're looking at, a few places we're looking at, but we haven't made a decision. So come along with me and see where we land.